How to cancel TubeBuddy subscription. Canceling TubeBuddy subscription may be necessary to manage expenses or if you no longer require its features. Now here I am in my home page, and all I have to do really is just go here on the upper right, and then you will see here your license. As you can see, I am now in Legend and I'm using a free trial, and then I can just go ahead and click the manage button here below the active status. And then once I do that, I will be redirected to the next page wherein I can have my details of my license. If I'm going to go down below, you should be able to see here cancel license. You can just go ahead and click that one. And then last but not the least, this is where you are going to confirm your cancellation. So all you have to do really is just type there your feedback. You can also input the reason why you're canceling, and then you can just click confirm cancellation. And once you click that, you should be able to cancel your license here in TubeBuddy. And yes, that is how you're going to cancel TubeBuddy subscription. And hey, if you're looking to boost your YouTube journey, then TubeBuddy's full version is your secret weapon for epic channel growth. Score a sweet discount on your next TubeBuddy subscription using our link below. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.